I'm getting into the spirit of things in November. I have a question to ask you. Do you like The Witcher, whether it be Netflix or game? This isn't Dora. I'm not expecting a response. It's a rhetorical question. And just like a rhetorical question, I don't expect an answer to this. This is just for me, by the way. This is Oshee The Witcher Blizzard flavor. I don't know what that's meant to be. It's just meant to be cold. And there's 2000 on the side. I don't know what that means. It's written in 2 languages. Energy Elixir is what this is called. It's energy. Maybe that's something from the game slash Netflix. I've had it for quite some time, as evidenced by the dust on the top. I don't know what it's meant to be. It's, I presume, citrus or something. It's strawberry lime flavor. Excellent. I love that. Now, in order to have a clear arc for this episode, why am I reviewing this? Because I have some cake here. And I need a drink to go with it. So we're going to open the strawberry and lime energy elixir. With energy, I'd imagine there's like caffeine in it. It's gaming edition, whatever that means. So maybe it's rare. Ooh. It actually smells like a pick and mix. That smells really nice, actually. Oh, it's caffeine and guarana. Witcher potion. I don't know what that means. Oh, there's stuff on the side here. Okay, oh, you can win something free as well, but that's all in a different language, so I don't know what that means. I'm going to taste it, as I usually do. It smells nice. It smells really nice, actually. Ooh. Imagine I done a fancy transition there. I was meant to, but I forgot I was wearing... Anyway. There's 2 flavors in this, and they're coming together in harmony. However, it's not really harmony, but it is, because it tastes nice. The lime is very overpowering, and the strawberry is like watered down strawberry, and the lime is also like watered down lime. But the strawberries taste like a cheap strawberry. You know, like those little strawberry sweets that are like jellies, and you have them, and it's like, it's not really strawberry. It's like a knockoff brand knockoff, if you get what I mean. It tastes like that. That's what the strawberry tastes like. The lime's nice. It tastes more like raspberry, actually. Also, I was chatting to Geralt here, and he said that there's 95 calories in a can. Or 96. 90 something. So that's pretty good for an energy drink. I don't know if there's caffeine in it. Usually it says on it somewhere. But as previously said, it is all in a different language. Except for this bit. This bit tells me very little. It says there's caffeine, but it doesn't say how much. Bye!